Hi guys, Paul and special guest Rowan. Here we are at RB Winter State Park in Union County on Route 192. We are here for a very special thing. First time ever, we're gonna drop a channel sticker, hide it out here, see if you guys can find it. If you guys are watching the channel, you're in the local area, come on and grab it. And if you do grab it, let us know you got it. It is a beautiful day out in the neighborhood. We were just over at Penn's Cave, and we are going in search of some bubbling springs. She got a pew! Oh, try it again.
That's not a good rock. What rock? Oh, not the right rock? Not the right rock.
All right. There you go. All right. All right, we'll be back. We're going to go in search of some bubbling springs. Cheers. I don't know if you can see it. Bubbling.
We'll have to put my hand in.
Get sucked up.
Nothing.
Die.
You would feel it go.
We're actually right on the lake here. So it's actually not even a far walk. But here it is. Okay, we're going to have to hide the channel sticker. All right, let's see where we can hide the channel sticker around here. I don't know if these rocks can move. There we go. See that? Right up under that. Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. So if you're in the RB Winter State Park, right near the Bubbling Springs, channel sticker number 1 is down.
That's it.
That's it. Great. And if you did, look at the beach and everything out here. If you do end up coming and grabbing that channel sticker, do let us know. Hit us up on Facebook, send us a picture. All right. Okay. She's still fiddling with it. Okay.
That's it. It's placed.
It is placed. This is Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors.
Cheers.
Bye.